What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute. Today we're doing something different. We're not doing anything with the truck, but I got some stuff for the Forester and we're gonna put that on. But before we do that, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and we're gonna install these on the Forester and discuss them. But stay tuned, because I did order some stuff for the truck that should be arriving later this week, and I'm pretty excited about it. It's some good stuff. So stay tuned. But today's about the Forester. Like and subscribe, and we're going to cut ahead to installing these on the Forester. So like I was saying, we got some nicer stuff for the Forester. So in my truck, I have the rubber floor liners that came with my truck. The Forester came with the carpet. So we can actually take those out. Don't need those anymore. And then back here, we actually got the protective, the rubber that goes back here, so we can fold these down for the dogs. So we're gonna install those real quick, and I'm gonna talk about why I went with the manufacturer, the actual Subaru brand, instead of, finding some on Amazon. But let me get those installed real quick. So I think this is the seat back cover. Yeah, and it looks like, I don't know, I could be wrong. They're gonna work, but it looks like it's just held on by Velcro, which is kind of bummy in my opinion. But it is what it is. It'll protect it from the dogs. I just really thought there was more to it than just Velcro, I guess. But I need both hands for this, so there's actually a little plastic lip. This little lip actually goes underneath this plastic, kind of like I did over here. So the fitment's good, but I'm gonna finish getting them installed. Okay, so I got this back seat cover installed. It was a little kind of a pain in the butt, because you had to take a flat head to kind of maneuver these lips to go under this plastic piece right here. But it fits snug. The Velcro is kind of it'll do. It's for my dogs, so it'll work. I'm not sure what this is for. I'm assuming it wraps around something. But there's no, unless I missed it, there's no kind of, well, actually there's a piece of paper in here. No, it's just a warning label. So yeah, there's no really instructions. So I'm assuming that elastic band kind of just goes around here. But these should go up like that. Yeah, I'm assuming that this probably goes around that. This probably goes around here. That goes around here. This goes around this. Yep. That goes around that. And this one probably goes around that. Actually, probably take the headrest off and wrap these around those. Okay, so that is what you do with the elastic band. You take the headrest off and then put that through, and then you latch that down. And then that holds it all into place. So when you fold the seat down, it all stays snug. So, not like the best cut. You know, it doesn't like fully match up like I would have thought it would have, but it's better than the cloth and dog hair getting stuck in here, because I can take these out and wash them off if I ever need to. Worth the money? Might have been cheaper to get a $60 bed cover like I have in the truck over there. But the floor mats, I did get the floor liners, and let me get those installed and I'll talk about those. Okay, so we got the new floor liners in. Way better than the carpet for obvious reasons. Dog hair, pull those out. And the reason I would say get floor liners instead of just the rubber floor mats is that they have this lip to catch any mud or anything from seeping into your carpet in the car. We also got them in the back. So, and these are nice. And the reason I went with the manufacturer, these are obviously more expensive. These were about $130 versus, you know, paying probably less than $100 on Amazon. These are gonna fit perfect. They're made specifically for this vehicle. You put in your VIN number, they make sure they get the right size and everything. These are made specifically for the Forester, same with the ones in my truck. If I got a new vehicle and had to buy these, I would do the manufacturer ones, even though they're more expensive, just because they have that snug fit. Can you get cheaper ones? Yes. Are they gonna fit as perfect? No. But are they gonna fit good? Yeah. So it just depends on your budget. If you have it in your budget, definitely manufacturer one. Plus you get the little logo as well, whether it's Subaru or the GMC. When it comes to the back seat cover, it's neat to have. It's convenient. You don't have to really put a seat cover in here or like a pet cover like in the truck. It doesn't take up any extra space because it's Velcro to the back of the seat. Is it worth it? To me, because this was like $200 for this set to cover the back. To me, that's kind of pricey. I think you could find similar items on Amazon. And to me, the $60 pet cover that I have in my truck is waterproof. I can take it out and rinse it off. To me, that's more worth it. So if you have a Subaru Forester, I would say maybe save your money on this and just get a dog cover like what I have in the truck, and I'll show it. So like this dog cover is waterproof. I don't have it attached right now, but it does attach to the front headrest. So it makes like a hammock, so your dogs don't get any of your seats dirty or anything. And it does have a little flap to cover the door. To me, this is more worth it than the back seat cover. But the floor mats are definitely where the price makes a difference. So I would definitely get those. But that's it for this video. Got those installed on the Subaru. Don't know what to do with the carpet ones. Might just store them somewhere in case we trade the car in one day. You never know. But I do have some parts coming in for this, so stay tuned. They should be here later this week. I'm excited. I'll be able to finally put my toolbox in the bed of my truck when this part comes in. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.